NJRC, or the National Junior Robotics Competition, was created in 1999, 25 years to date. At that point in time, there weren't robotics competition targeted at the younger students. The National Junior Robotics Competition was targeted at the upper primary as well as the lower secondary students.
The NJRC holds a special place in my heart as it provided a unique platform for students like me to not only nurture our interests but also find a true sense of belonging. The NJRC wasn't just a competition. It was a canvas where my teammates and I could paint our ideas and dreams in the form of robots and innovative solutions. It became a place where our curiosity and creativity were nurtured and where we felt empowered to explore the fascinating world of science and technology. The memories and lessons from those experiences continue to resonate with me, shaping my appreciation for innovation, collaboration, and the invaluable role that platforms like NJRC play in fostering the next generation of scientific minds.
NJRC has grown tremendously, so much so that we have included the preschoolers as well as all the way up to the tertiary level. And that's where we thought that maybe we should just drop the junior and call it National Robotics Competition. A lot of volunteers from the industry, from the IHLs, they all act in various manners, whether it is at the advisory role or together as judges throughout the whole 25 years. They are the people who help shape the competition. And I must really take a chance to say thank you to everyone who volunteered for NJRC or NRC through the years.
We have grown it to a point where the ecosystem is so mature, and we have helped contribute towards our knowledge-based, innovation-based economy. We have formed an advisory committee that will help advise how we could move the NRC agenda into the future. The future of NRC will see the blossoming and integration of many other platforms. Platforms that never existed 25 years ago, and platforms that will continue to evolve from now onwards. The National Robotics Competition is about our ecosystem, about educational system, and you think about it, about our world. And hopefully we will make the best use of robotics plus AI for a better and a happier planet Earth.
I also learned about sustainability, the food waste that every household produces in a day. Through the research that I have done, I learned a lot about that, and it was so stunning.
I like that it actually exercises his brain a little bit, help him to maybe think out of the box as well.
I had a lot of fun and I want to come here next year again.
The competition actually gives them a chance to do something outside a textbook that has no limits.
They learn a lot of communicative skills, they learn about teamwork, they learn about coordination and all the skills that comes along with it.
Throughout the whole project, I felt that it forced me to really think out of the box, to really explore the different alternatives in terms of how we can go about a certain problem.
Even though we didn't get a good score, I am still proud of my team as we tried my best.
I will come back next year. It requires years to learn, and I want to learn more about robotics.
We learn creative problem-solving skills, which is also very relevant to life.
It gives me a platform to solve problems and learn new skills.
They learn collaboration, they learn problem solving, they learn entrepreneurial thinking and creativity as they interact with their peers, teachers, and especially judges.
You're never too old to build robots. You're never too young to start building robots. Imagine your robot can be the one to change the world, but we are only limited by our imagination. Encourage your children and thank you for participating in the competition. Let's build robots.